Hey beautiful, today is all about deadlift. Very quick but effective workout for your hammies and for your glutes. 7 different variations of deadlifts, 10 minutes, 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. Let me know which one was your favorite in comment below. If you enjoyed this workout, make sure you subscribe for more workouts like this. I'm using 9 kilo dumbbells. You also need a bench for your elevation. Enjoy! Okay, your feet hip width apart and your toes pointing forward. Bracing your tummy in and keep your knees slightly soft. Really focus on that big stretch back of your hamstring as you are pushing or hinging your hips back. Your feet hip width apart and your right foot comes slightly back. Toes of your right foot are pretty much lined up with the heel of your left foot and your toes pointing slightly out and your knees staying nice and soft. Big tension between your shoulder blades, hold time and focus on that stretch of your hamstring. Right now, we're working on your left, so left leg. Hip width apart and your toes pointing forward with a slight soft knees. Push through your knees and drive into your full extension by squeezing your glutes as much as you can. Start with your feet hip width apart and you're balancing on one foot. As you're pushing or hinging your hips back, you're lifting the other leg nice and high. And I'm still in the recovery after my hip replacement surgery, so be gentle with my bubbling during this exercise. Breathe through your nose as you are coming down, and as you are pushing through your heel, use that energy and breathe out through your mouth to get that breath done. Start with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart and your toes pointing slightly out. Keep your knees constantly slightly soft. Once again, focus on that big stretch back of your hamstrings as you are hinging or pushing your hips back. Be very careful with your lower back with this variation. Both of your feet are nice and straight. One leg is fully extended on elevated surface and toes on both of your feet are pointing forward. Your feet needs to be planted firmly, one to the earth and one on elevated surface. Keep your torso straight and try to eliminate any twisting. Big focus on your glutes. On this one, your feet much wider than shoulder width apart and your toes pointing slightly out.